Good evening, my dear JK Astro friends. This is your JK from JK Astro. Here, today I am going to talk about Briganandi Nadi Pearls from JK Astro Part 3. I hope you would have enjoyed my video Part 1 and Part 2. If you have not seen, please see, enjoy, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy, if you see this is worth, please share with your friends. That is my earnest request. That is the Guru Dakshina you are paying to me. With this, we'll start. Today, I am going to introduce one more aspect in this. What is that? See, usually some misconception is that Nadi means we have to see only planets and their combinations, nothing else. I disagree with that. Even R.G. Rao and other exponents of Nadi astrology, they combine Rashi. That is one of the secrets. If we take only planets and their combination, you may not get 100% result. You will get some result. I don't deny that. But you won't get 100% result. For example, we will take Saturn. Saturn in Aries, Saturn in Cancer, Saturn in Libra, Saturn in Capricorn, Saturn in Aquarius will give the same result? No. According to the Rashi, Saturn also will change his karma. According to that Rashi, Saturn will exhibit his karma karakattvas. Now, I'll give some example. If Saturn is in Aquarius, the native will clear his prarabdha karma and also attempt secretive works. Because why we are telling it is native is clearing the prarabdha karma? Because it's Kala Purusha's 11th house and next house is the Moksha Sthana. So he is clearing and it is Rahu's house also. So it's a Saturn's house, Rahu's house also. So he is clearing and next step is Moksha, 12th house, Meena, that is Pisces. Now, why secretive job? Because it's a Kumbha, closed part. So it is what is inside, nobody knows. It's a secretive. Because that is a secretive Kumbha plus Saturn, it is a job. Next, same Saturn goes to Aries, gives a bodily efforts and manually operated machinery works. Why bodily works? Why machinery work? It's a Mars house. Mars is a karaka for exercise. You see army people, you see police people, all those people, they'll do drill, they'll do exercises, they will do every bodily. See, policeman is standing one place and going to another place, catching the thief, all these things, bodily efforts. And army people, they are carrying the guns and other things, going, shooting the enemies. And sometimes they crawl and go. So a lot of bodily efforts are there. It is not just sitting and doing job, the bodily efforts. So again, manually operated machinery work. Machinery means we know Mars. So Saturn, Mars, it gives the machinery work. The same Saturn placement in Cancer, what it will give? We all know Cancer is the moon's house, Kala Purusha's 4th house. So Saturn here indicates moody nature. So native will be a moody nature. Because Saturn is a slow moving planet. And Moon is the very fastest planet. Whether this will match, there problem comes. Because Moon is actually luminous planet, light. Saturn is dark. Another thing is, Moon is the mind. So Saturn will corrupt that mind. So it will become moody. And postponement of work. Because it's a Kalapurusha's fourth house, he doesn't want to. Even though he is a Karaka for work, Karaka for karma, still he wants to postpone. Come on, I will do it tomorrow. I want to. Lazy. Here, enjoyment won't come. Because Venus means enjoyment. Here, laziness. I want to relax. I want to sleep. So I will do the work after some time. That kind of thing will come. The same Saturn in Libra, Venus. What he will do? Bhoga. That karma. Because it's an exalted house also for Saturn. So you will enjoy that karma. You will enjoy that bhoga. Plus, you will work very hard also in his career. Why? Because he wants to enjoy bhoga means he needs wealth. Venus is wealth. So he has to create wealth. And Saturn, it is in the 7th house of Kalapurusha. So you will have a lot of contact with the people, society. Because 7th house is the Kalapurusha's opposite. Kalapurusha, first one is self, opposite society, wife, partners, these and other things. So Saturn will work very hard in his career. Apart from that, he will have a lot of contacts with the people. And in Capricorn, the same Saturn, workaholic and achiever through self-effort. Why? It is a Kalapurusha's 10th house. So 10th house, again Saturn is a karma karaka. So both together, you become a workaholic. Your boss Saturn is in Capricorn. Then what you will do? You observe. What you will do? You will work. Apart from that, after finishing his work, if he becomes workless, he doesn't have any work to do, he will be very anxious. You will look around and grab your work and you will start to do it. You will blame you. You are doing very slowly. I will finish it. Oh Baba, don't bother. I will take care of your work. Because he enjoys to do the work. He is workaholic. Even in your house also, if somebody Saturn in Capricorn, you just see. You will be a workaholic but self-made man. Okay, with this, I will finish this video. Thank you. Again, I request you subscribe, share with your friends, ask your friends to share and subscribe also. Please press the bell button so that you will get the notification when new video comes. With this, I end this video. Thank you. For other signs, please think over. Don't ask me, sir, what happened to Gemini? What happened to Virgo and what happened to Taurus and other things? You think over. You think over that tattvas and you think over which is the lord of the planet. You will get the answer. In astrology, just thinking, you pondering over, you will get lot of results. With this, I end this video. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you, my dear Ajay Astro friends.